let's just get this out of the way very quickly. I think we've all established by now I cannot tan my hands. Look at the difference. I mean, I don't know why it really clings to my hands. But anyway, let's just ignore those for now. Today's video is going to be a full glam makeup tutorials. So this is what I do when I'm like filming my videos, or I'm going out, or doing my Instagram promos. Basically my full glam, my go-to glam. So yeah, just to let you know before I start the video that every single product that I have used today will be linked below. So before we get started, I do want to give a massive shout out and a big thank you to Newer. This isn't an ad or a sponsored thing, but I get a lot of questions regarding like the ring light and the source of lighting that I use, and it's always Newer, it always has been Newer. When I started doing all my like influencing stuff on Instagram 2 years ago now, the first ever ring light I bought was from Newer, and I've just always gone to them for any type of lighting that I need. Kind of mind-blowing that they actually sent me a ring light for free, but this one is quite snazzy. It's got this like built-in Bluetooth thing, so instead of me reaching over here and like changing the settings, I can just literally go on my phone, open up the Newer app, and like here I can just change like if I want it to go off, you know. But I could just change like the brightness of it. I might actually do that now because I don't want my hands to look really orange, but I feel like they're just gonna anywhere. And then you can sort of change like the warmth, so it goes very warm and then it goes very cool, you know. So that is so handy for anybody that needs that sort of lighting in their job. So whether you're a hairstylist, a hairdresser, makeup artist, you know, photographer, and say you're taking photos but your ring light's quite far away but you've got the shot, then you could literally just whap your phone out, boom, 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 and like change your lighting and stuff. If you want to go and purchase a ring light that has this Bluetooth software built in, I will link it below for you. So that is that. I will leave that link below. But yeah, let's start with our makeup routine. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be using is my go-to Olay Beauty Fluid Moisturiser. I use this all the time, pretty sure we all know that by now. Yeah, it's just very affordable. You just take a little bit of my hand and, you know, spread it evenly across the face. This bottle is £6 from a drugstore like Superdrug or Boots, or you can get it on Amazon. I'll link it below. If you can't be bothered leaving your house. And it lasts me a year, this bottle, and you get 200 millilitres in this bottle. It's just fab. I love this. I'll forever buy it, so yeah. Okay, so next up I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Oh my god, I don't know what it is about MAC products, but I love the smell. Like, it just smells so nice. It reminds me when I was younger and I used to go into MAC and get like a brush. I think that was like a beauty guru. Now I'm going to take this foundation. A lot of people have messaged me recently saying, do you still use the Milani foundation? Yes, I do still use it, but this is something that I just really wanted to try, and since I've been using this, I've just been loving it. I think I do need to purchase like a foundation lightener because it is kind of dark. I got it in the shade Syracuse. This foundation is unreal. It's the NARS Sheer Glow foundation, and this is £29.50 on Look Fantastic. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. Obviously, don't be scared when you see how dark it is on my face. I do use a concealer to lighten up. Just pop some on a damp beauty blender. Just get dabbing. But yeah, the coverage of this is so nice. And the one thing that I noticed about this as well, it's very light on your face. Like, it doesn't feel heavy. I think that's the one thing about the Milani one. It does feel quite heavy on your face. Absolutely love it. I never ever want to talk bad about it because that is one foundation I adore, and it's really good for people that want to save money too. But this is really nice as well. It just blends so effortlessly. Like, I just think this is such full coverage. Look at the coverage, it is unreal. Like, honestly, I saw so many people hyping over this foundation and I understand why. Thank you to Look Fantastic for gifting me this. They gifted me this and the lip liner that I'm using today as well. They're just two products that I always wanted to use. They were so hyped up and I can understand why, because this is unreal. But yeah, I'll definitely be buying this again just because of how nice it sits on the skin, and it's just not heavy. I like the fact that it's not heavy. I love it. I just love it. So now to conceal, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser. I use this in the shade 1 Light. just because it's got a more nicer tone to it. It's not too pale. I always find that the ivory one is a bit too pale for me. So yeah, I just use this with a little flat brush. I'm using the Real Techniques pointed foundation brush, and yeah, this is a bit bad. I took the top off it because it was just all dirty because I lost a lid, so I had loads of hair on it. It was just disgusting. I'm just gonna pop this under my eyes, of course on my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. And then I'm going to be using this Real Techniques contour brush to blend this in. This is my all-time fave concealer. I just love it. The coverage is amazing. It's got a really nice finish to it, and it really stays intact. Like, it doesn't come off through the day. Like, I just find that it's really good, and it's only £8.99. So again, drugstore. I'm now going to take my Revolution foundation stick. This is in the shade F13. Oh, this is disgusting as well. This has been dropped on the floor on multiple occasions, but yeah, I'm not getting rid of it. I've had this for a long time now, and honestly, if you've been watching me for a while, you will know this is my holy grail product. I don't use it as a foundation. It's always a cream contour for me, and it's just so glowy and dewy. It's just lovely. And I actually use this as a foundation when I'm like having a natural day, like a no makeup type of thing, because it's not full coverage one bit, but as a cream contour it just really adds that bronze look, and I love that. So I'm going to use this really fat brush to blend this out. This product is actually £5, and it lasts like a full year as well. You really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way with this. Also, it blends so effortlessly. Now that's all blended, looking bronzed, I do sometimes go back in with the excess concealer on my brush, and I just try and like contour my nose a little bit more. I have got a spot, and that cream contour has completely just clinged to the spot, and it's made it look so dark, and it's made my nose look a little bit weird. So I'm just gonna try and like thin this out. No, it's not worked. I've done it again. Now I'm gonna go in with my lovely Laura Mercier powder. I got this for Christmas kindly off my mum and dad. I've always wanted to try this, and yeah, I really like it. It blends really well. I understand why people really love this product. So I'm gonna actually set that spot, but I'm also gonna like sort of contour my nose with the powder. Basically, I put it on all the places that I've concealed before. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes. I know, how cute do I look? And then to sort of like set the contour, I'm just gonna use my Tarte Park Ave Princess palette. This is gorgeous. I got this in a glossy box advent calendar. I think it's retailed at £40, but it's now knocked down to £28, I think. And you can get this on the Tarte website. And yeah, it just looks like that, and I love it. So to contour, I was going with this shade here. This is the shade Angel, and I use like an angled brush like this, and then just tap off the excess. And I just really gently dab on the cheekbone. I don't like to go over the top with this. It just looks stupid if I go over the top. So I just like to blend it in circular motion so that it don't go like crazy. So yeah, that just gives me more definition. It's not too crazy. It's just a really subtle contour, you know. Now we've done that, I'm just gonna go underneath the contour with this Laura Mercier powder. So whilst that is baking, I'm gonna just wipe off the powder that I applied before. So I'm just gonna use like a big brush like this. This brush is from Euphoria, and I'm just gonna blend that out. My nose isn't looking snatched, and to be honest, it never looks snatched. I would love to be able to contour my nose. I'm gonna just man it and just try to do it. So whilst this is still baking, I'm gonna apply my blush that is my, again, holy grail. Absolutely love this. This is the Pixie by Petra blush in the shade Beach Rose. It's a very rosy blush. I'm pretty sure you gathered that by the name, Beach Rose. I just feel like it blends well with contour, so yeah. I'm gonna just use this brush. Most of my brushes are unbranded, I'm gonna be honest. I don't really care about branded brushes. I mean, it's just a brush. Who cares? Look at that. Like, a makeup look is not a makeup look if you do not put blush on, because it just makes you look so healthy. Like, have I been in Barbados? Yeah. I like to just go overboard with, honestly, I really do go overboard with I really go overboard with blush, and someone needs to just tell me to stop. I can't. It's uncontrollable. Stop. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a massive fan of highlight. I just feel like it doesn't look right unless it's at the perfect angle. I do like it on my nose, however on my cheeks I cannot do it. But my go-to highlighter that I have had for the longest time ever is my Mary Luminizer. This is hitting bad, you know, it just needs to go now, to be honest, but I've still got a little product left around the edges, so I'm gonna go in with my little highlighter brush, pop a little bit in my nose because I want a snatch nose, and I see all these girls on TikTok snatching the nose and it looks amazing, and I do it and it looks stupid. It looks even bigger. So I'm just gonna gently put this on my nose. I don't want it to look crazy. I love the little pearl at the end of the nose, you know what I mean? Snatched. No. I do like to apply it under my brows, but I do like it a bit more harsh under my brows, so I just pop it like on with my finger. This is like full glam though. Like I would never do this if I was just going out for the day shopping, unless I had the time and I could be bothered. But normally I just put bronzer on my face. Oh my god, that looks so good under the brow. Take it away from me, take it away from me, because I will go crazy in the highlighter, and I don't think I'll stop. I won't stop. Now we're gonna get my powder brush and just blend this out. Oh my god, it's just so nice, this powder. Like, I understand why so many people love it. It just blends very effortlessly and it just really looks good. Is this spot gonna come back? Oh my god, it has. We'll leave you. You know, there's no moving you. You clearly like your stay on Lucy's face, so if you're gonna pay rent, it's fine. Back in with the blush. I'm back in with the blush. Oh my god, I can't stop. Somebody stop me. Moving on to the eyebrows. Some people are going to comment and be like, Lucy, you do your makeup in the weirdest order, and I'm aware. And guess what? I don't care. So I'm just going to get this wipe off the floor. Disgusting. I did use this before though, to wipe my face, but it just ended up on the floor. But yeah, it's still damp, so I'm just going to take some product off my eyebrows. Honestly, I don't like doing my eyebrows. Like I actually really like my eyebrows like this, but they don't have like a tail on. Is that what you call it? A tail? I don't know. Before we go onto the eyes though, I do want to just spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Like I say, this is full glam. When I'm doing full glam, I like it to stay on. And then I can really quickly like... For brows, I always use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. This is still going strong and it's kind of unbelievable. These last a bloody lifetime. Maybe not a lifetime. Oh, they do last a long time though. I have no really routine on my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do them and I'll be back to you. But yeah, that's what I use on my eyebrows, is the Dip Brow Pomade. Okay, that's the brows done. I don't like going over the top. I feel like I have gone over the top. I get really scared that I have. It's quite dark. That's just the way that my eyebrows are though. They are dark. Yeah. I am naturally blonde though. Fun fact. Now I'm going to use this Model Co clear eyebrow gel to set the brows. This is like concrete. It's so good. I got this in a glossy box. I think this was the January glossy box. Definitely worth signing up to. You can sign up now with the code LucyL30 and you'll get your first ever box for £7, which is fab. So I will leave my link below if you want to go and purchase a box. There's no boxes available now until next month. When it comes to eyes, I am very boring. I'm not adventurous. I just literally keep it plain and simple. From the foundation to start with, they're just pretty like bronze anyway, so I'm not going to touch my eyelids. All I'm going to do now is just pop some of this Kat Von D tattoo liner on my lids. Again, glossy box, absolutely fab. I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals Lashtopia mascara. This is my complete favourite mascara. It's just so good. It gives such volume to the lashes. I'm not going to go crazy on the mascara just because I am putting lashes on, so it's basically just to blend them. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on. This again is from Glossybox, so yeah. I didn't realise how many products I actually have from Glossybox. Okay, that is the lashes done. Now I'm going to apply some false lashes. I'm just going to be using the Isla Vegas Nair lashes. They're these ones, they're in the purple packet. So I will be back once the lashes are on. I'm back and my lashes are now on. Now time for the lips. So here is my go-to lip combination. Wow, absolutely love it. This is what I've been looking for my whole life. So I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. Look fantastic. Again, kindly gifted this to me, so thank you very much for that. They have gifted me both these items. They are items I really wanted to try. The good thing about Look Fantastic as well is that they always have deals on. You can always get like 20% off of products. Every time I've seen a girl on Instagram looking so beautiful and the lips look amazing. I've always messaged and said, oh my god, what is that on your lips? Like, it looks so good. Every single one said Cork by MAC, and here we have it, darlings. So I'll zoom you in and I'll apply this. Ignore the fact that I've got loads of makeup on my lips. That will be gone soon. Love it. I just love the colour. This is literally what I've been looking for.
Where have you been all my life?
Okay, that's the lips lined. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of lip balm. That's a little life hack actually. If you add like Carmex or Vaseline before you apply your lip liner, you can like blend it out a lot easier on the lips. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And yeah, this is like my favourite colour out of the full works. It just matches really well with the Cork, I think. NYX is so well priced. Like, this is like £5 I think. Again, on Look Fantastic. Okay, so now for the gloss. Again, going in with NYX. This is the butter gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. That focus was a complete fail. It didn't even focus, but yeah. It's in the shade Creme Brulee. And this is such a lovely gloss. I really need about 1,000 of these in a drawer. I don't want to ever run out of this. I'm going to have to repurchase. But yeah, again, on Look Fantastic. I think this is around £5 to £6. Look at that. Adds like a little bit of peachy gloss over the top. I absolutely love this. I cannot even explain to you how much I love lip gloss. It literally creates a look. Lip gloss and blush, absolute favourite products ever. But yeah. So I'm going to take the clips out now because I have finished this makeup look. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I'll give you a little close-up. Orange hands still. But yeah, so that has been the video. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, give a thumbs up and subscribe. This has been highly requested, so there you go. And have a nice day. Goodbye. Disgusting.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.